Hey, what's up, guys? It's Chaudhry Abdul. Today we are learning the most important move in skipping is the double under crisscross. You know, it's not easy and it's very difficult to achieve. First time if you do, it's seem like it's impossible. But uh, but we say that anything is possible. Okay, so So yeah, it's look impossible to do the double under crisscross, but if you practice, like day and night, so you can achieve it. Yeah, it's very important to know the tricks about double under crisscross. There is no any hard and fast rule to achieve, the double under crisscross. You can dream, in the night. Yeah, in the morning. I watched that Chaudhry Abdul video, and he is doing the double under crisscross. So I will also do it. And you know and you think like that, it's not gonna. I'm sorry, I think some. Okay, I will do. Okay, so there is a dog. Okay, I'm also like little bit afraid from the dogs. I also love the dogs, but I'm also afraid from the dogs. He's coming very soon. So and you doing like that, you will achieve. In a one day. It's not gonna. It's not gonna. Like that. You have to work if you want to achieve something in your life. You have to work. Just try, but I want help you to how to achieve the double under crisscross. Yeah. Now I'm also doing mistakes in double under crisscross. I'm also practicing myself. So yeah, it's not easy, but practice matters. So the first of all, you know how to do the double unders. Okay. Okay, if you can do consecutively the 10 double unders, okay, then it's mean you are ready to execute the double under crisscross. It is essential for how to do double under, and like crisscross, run crisscross, or any kind of basic crisscross. Okay, the trick is here. Okay, when you executing from the double under, like as I told you before, when the rope is coming here, and you have to, you have to cross. When you are in the air, you have to cross your arms, okay, like that, and hug your body, like smooth motion, okay, not like that. If you jerk yourself, it will trip. Like smooth, okay, like jump a little bit higher than then from the basic bounce also, to improve your efficiency. Okay, yes, I hope. Okay, you can sound. Okay, so yeah, you can cross your hands, and when you cross, like basic bounce from the, like I show you cross or move, cross, then you uncross, cross, then uncross, and try to don't bend your knees. Okay, and try to try to try to try to try to place your foot together, and when you jump, you can also bend your the body like that little bit, to create a sexy look, or like when you jump. Okay, when you jump, you cross, and I'm crossing. Do not away from, do not do your arms away from your body. Keep your arms close to your body, like. Okay, I will show you. Okay, like that. Okay, look at that. Okay, like okay. So if you bend some little bit, your knees a little bit in double under crisscross, and you have to curve your this body a little bit, to create, to pass the rope in in front, from the foot, like. Okay, do some double unders. yeah, you can say how am I doing. So yeah, there's a double under crisscross, and there is, you can also the, double under and the triple crossover. It's like, oh man, inshallah I will also achieve that. So you know so yeah, cool. The important point also, when you do, when you go for the double under, then you execute for the, double under crisscross, like cross, then uncross, cross, then uncross, cross, then uncross, and don't jerk your body, and yeah, important point, grip very lightly and back from the handles. Okay, it's very important to in double under crisscross, like not from here, like little bit, from the backward, thumb face forward towards the rope. Okay, and very light, and when you cross, if you do away from the, arms, if it's very natural, to do arms away from the body, because the timing is very important. If you do timing correctly, then automatically you will easily do, the arms close to your body. If rope is in front and back, and you do for going for the crisscross, it automatically, your arms are away from the body. Okay, and you can execute moves smoothly. So yeah, so thank you so much. So yeah, I hope you like my video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and share as many as you can. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to share with your friends, to motivate themselves and to also myself, because health is wealth. If you have a great body, great physique, you can, also go further in life. So yeah, so see you in the next video. God bless.
See clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really